Question number 5 is p of x is equals to x raised to power 4 plus 4x cube minus 9x square plus 19x plus 6 when p of x is we have to calculate p of minus 2. Let's start. Given that polynomial is x raised to power 4 plus 4x cube minus 9x square plus 19x plus 6, and we have to calculate p of minus 2, which means we have to substitute value of x, that is 2. X is substituted with minus 2, so it would be minus 2 raised to power 4 minus 4x into minus 2 cube, then this term minus 9x square means minus 2 square plus 19, x is replaced with minus 2 plus 6 as it is. Now expand it. 2 raised to power 4 is 16. I will write here 16. Minus with even power. Then this minus sign converted to positive sign. Minus comes here. 4 into 2 raised to power 3 is 8. And minus with odd power will remain minus. Minus sign here. 2 square is 4, and minus with even power converted into positive sign. And then product of two opposite signs is negative. So then these two are opposite signs. I will write here minus, and 19 2 times 38, so product is 38 plus 6. Now solve it further. Now this minus sign and this negative sign, product of same signs is positive. 4 8 times 32. Product of opposite signs is minus. 9 4 times 36 minus 38 plus 6. Okay, by solving this we get minus 84. It means value of p of minus 2 is minus 84. Next question. Next question is question number 2. And in question number 2, they said determine whether the second polynomial is a factor of first polynomial without dividing. What is the requirement? The requirement is the second polynomial is a factor of first polynomial. Then they said without dividing. Here they said we are not required to divide like we divide other questions. And this, what is the requirement? Actually we have to find out factor. So it means we will, there is another way that is called factor theorem. It means we have to use factor theorem here to identify whether the polynomial second polynomial is the factor of first polynomial or not. Now I will solve question number 7. Here x raised to power 18 minus 1 is the first polynomial and the second polynomial is x minus 1. They said the second polynomial is the factor of first polynomial. It means this factor completely divide first polynomial, but they said do not divide it. So by using factor theorem, what does factor theorem says? Factor theorem means if we put value of 1 that is derived from x minus 1 in this polynomial and we get our remainder 0, then it means x minus 1 is the factor of first polynomial. How can we get value from x minus 1? We will put x minus 1 is equals to 0 so that we can derive value of x. It means minus 1 transfer to the other side, so value of x would be 1. Now p of x is x raised to power 18 minus 1. We will put value of 1 in first polynomial. P of 1 means we will substitute x with 1. One raised to power 18 would be 1 minus 1, and we have value 0. It means p of 1 is equals to 0 when we derived value of x from second polynomial and we put it in first polynomial and we get the answer 0. That is the remainder. It means remainder is 0, and when our remainder is 0, it means second polynomial is the factor of first polynomial. Since x minus 1 is a factor of first polynomial, that is x raised to power 18 minus 1. And we said that 1 is the 0 of this polynomial. X minus 1 is the factor of this polynomial and 1 is the 0 of polynomial. Next question number 8. Question number 8 is x raised to power 9 minus 2 raised to power 9 is the first polynomial and second polynomial is x plus 2. So we have to derive value from x minus 2, that is second polynomial, put that equals to 0, so we will get value of x minus 2. This is the value of x. And what is our first polynomial? P of x, that is x raised to power 9 minus 2 raised to power 9, and we have to find out p of minus 2 by substituting value of x by 2. 2 raised to power 9 is 512, so I will write here 512, and negative sign when have an odd power, it will remain minus, and minus 2 raised to power 9 again 512, same signs get added, it would be 1024 with negative sign. So P of minus 2 is 1024, which is not equals to 0. So P of 2 is not equal to 0. It means our remainder is not 0. This is our remainder. When remainder is not 0, then second polynomial will not be the factor of first polynomial. So x plus 2, that is the second factor, that is the second polynomial, is not factor of P of x, which is equals to x raised to power 9 minus 2 raised to power 9. Then question number 10. Question number 10 is 3x raised to power 4 minus 2x cube plus 5 minus 6 when second polynomial is x minus 1. So we will get value of x from x minus 1, put x minus 1 is equals to 0, so that we can get x is equal to plus 1. And now our required polynomial, that is our dividend also, we have to find out P of 1, that is the value of x. P of 1, 3 into x replaced with 1, 1 raised to power 4 minus 2, x replaced with 1, 1 raised to power 3 plus 5 into 1 minus 6. 1 raised to power 4, 1, so answer would be, let's write it, minus 2 into 1 cube is 1 plus 5 1 times 1, sorry 5 1 times 5, 3 minus 2 1 times 2 plus 5 minus 6. This is 1 and this is minus 1. It means we got value 0. So P of 1 is equals to 0. So because we get our remainder 0, it means second polynomial, that is x minus 1, is a factor of second polynomial, that is P of x is equal to 3x raised to power 4 minus 2x cube plus 5x minus 6. Next question number 11. Question number 11 is 5x raised to power 6 minus 7 x cube minus 6x plus x minus 1. We have to derive value of x from x minus 1, that is 1, and our required polynomial, sorry, given polynomial is x raised to power 6 minus 7x cube minus 6x plus x. We have to find out P of 1. So we will replace x with 1, minus 7, 1 cube minus 6 into 1 plus x replaced with 1. 5 into 1 raised to power 6 is 1, minus 7 into 1 raised to power 3 is 1, minus 6 1 times 6 plus 1. And now 5 minus 7 minus 6 plus 1, we will get minus 2 here and minus 5 here and minus 7. So P of 1 is 7, which is not equal to 0. So P of 1 is not equal to 0. That means x minus 1 is not a factor of what? P of x, that is 5x raised to power 6 minus 7x cube minus 6x plus x.